Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing a Valentine's unboxing today and a giveaway. So if you want to see what I'm giving away, stick around. This is a company that reached out to me from Amazon, and I reviewed one of their products before. So, oh, they sent two. Okay, awesome. The name of the company is LAVIEVERT, L-A-V-I-E-V-E-R-T, LAVIEVERT, L-A-V-I-E-V-E-R-T. And this is the box. As I said, they sent two. So one of these is going to one of you. And it says it's a LAVIEVERT supple, genuine, lightweight wallet. So let's see what this looks like. Eight. How's everybody doing today? Oh, are you all set for Valentine's Day? You know, I don't know if I mentioned this before, but hubby and I met on Valentine's Day. Actually, it was the night of Valentine's Day. Long story short, we met on Match.com. I was just about to get off of Match.com, but if you guys want to hear about this story of how hubby and I met, comment down below. We met, it'll be 10 years in February. So comment down below if you're interested in our Match.com story. So here it is. Comes in this bag. You can see the bag. And let's open this up. Oh, awesome. And things are flying out. Okay. So it's a leather wallet. Awesome. It feels really nice and smooth too. So you have little pockets for your credit cards, driver's license, and there's two compartments here. And inside it has the LAVIEVERT logo in there. This is very nice. I think this would make an awesome Valentine's Day gift for that special guy in your life. What do you think? So if you're interested in this giveaway, we'll just have a few rules, and I'll post them also in the description box so everyone can see what the rules are. But I'll send you the unopened one. But if you're interested in this, like this video, subscribe to my channel. You must be over 18, and I'll open it up to residents of the US and Canada. So my hope is to pick the winner and get this out to you so you can give this to one of your loved ones, your special guy. It's nice. It's really soft leather. So again, like the video, subscribe to the channel. You must be a resident of the US and Canada, or Canada, and you must be over 18. I'll put everything down in the description box so we don't miss anything. But I think this is awesome. I want you to get a close look at this and look at the leather. So I'll do the giveaway on February 1st. This video should go up on the 30th. So February 1st we'll do the giveaway. And this will give me a chance to get it right in the mail and send it right out to you after getting all your getting all the winners' information. So I'll link everything down below, the details, just in case something changes. But I'll link everything down in the details. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, wait, one other thing I think I should say. You should like the video, comment, please enter me, be over 18, and be a resident of the US or Canada. Yeah, how about that? This is awesome. So guys, thank you for riding with me. You know I appreciate you so much. And I want to thank the company, LAVIEVERT, for sending this wallet to me. I'm so grateful. And I want to give one to you. Thanks, guys. And I'll see you in my next production.